Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you the easiest way to combine images on iPhone or iPad. So first up, we're going to open the Shortcuts app. And then from here, we're going to tap on the plus icon at the top right-hand corner. Now go to the search box and search actions here. And we're going to type in select photos. Tap on that. And then tap on the blue icon here, blue arrow, and then enable the select multiple. Again, another, tap on the search icon right here or search bar, and then select on combine images. And then select on the horizontally, and we're going to change it into ask each time. Now, another options or shortcut is save to photos. Save to photo album. Okay, so once done there, you can now name this action here. So tap on the save to photo album right there at the top, and we're going to rename this combine image. Okay, now what we're going to do is tap on the eye icon at the bottom middle of your screen and then enable the show and share sheet. So once you tap on the show and share sheet, basically if you're going to your photo gallery, so go back to your home screen and select on photos, and we're going to select multiple images here and then tap on the share icon at the bottom left hand corner, scroll down and find the combine image. As you tap on that, as you can see, you will need to select any image again. So for example here, and then tap on add at the top right, and then select here. So I'm going to select in a grid. And once you've done, as you can see, the final result, as you can see here at the top left. So here, if you're going to tap on that, so that's how you basically combine images on iPhone or iPad. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.